manufacturing probably isn't what they think it is.
It's not the dirty traditional job that people think it is anymore. It's a lot cleaner and a nicer environment.
The first thing to know as a young person entering the manufacturing industry is that it's not hard labour.
Biggest thing that most people associate with manufacturing is standing on a machine, standing there all day, every day.
Yeah, there's a lot of huge organisations, quality organisations that can really help you develop across lots of different facets.
So manufacturing is an incredibly broad industry, and when you look at the kind of products you can make in manufacturing, there's obviously food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, there's also textiles for people to wear, there's automotive.
So everything that you see and use every day, somebody has made that.
With the people that I see and I tell them what we make in Australia, it opens their eyes in terms of, oh, I didn't realise we make those things here. And it really opens up their mind as to what is actually possible here in Australia in the manufacturing industry.
It's such a big industry, there's so many different types of jobs that simply getting into it is the first step, and then you can figure out what aspect you really enjoy from there.
Today, manufacturing includes a lot of automation, robotics. I think it still requires, as in the past, that manual input as well, which is where the real skill and expertise comes in.
You can work in things like sales, finance, or human resources.
And there's always new things to learn. And it's a great environment because you've got different people around you all the time, giving you support, encouragement, but you also get to grow and you can see your careers evolve right in front of you.